Steve, massive deal today between IBM and Lenovo. I get the implication that this is IBM really pushing into higher margin areas. Is that correct?
Absolutely. It's part of the continuing effort we've had to look at the marketplace, understand not just where the growth is, but also the value, and to make decisions on the things that we're going to continue to do and where we're going to seek partnerships and other approaches to the marketplace where we don't believe IBM's invention and intellectual property provides us with enough differentiation to drive the margins we're seeking.
So it is an interesting move. I mean, IBM is still very much synonymous with servers, but here we are, a massive $2.3 billion deal to sell off the low-end server business. I mean, should people now think about IBM as less of a hardware company?
Well, clearly our portfolio mix has changed over the years, where services and software become a bigger part of the business. But hardware does remain an important element of IBM's business. But as always the case, you're looking for where you can deliver differentiation and value. And it's no surprise to anybody that in the world of Intel-based servers, the x86 architecture, that's their IP, that's their unique value. And they do quite nicely from a margin perspective around their IP. Many of these servers are relatively commoditized. They're very straightforward technologies. A lot of the componentry sourced from Asia. You have a lot of Asian assembly as well of these types of servers. We reached the point where we felt that this marketplace and its behavior was such that we were better off seeking a partnership and therefore the transaction with Lenovo. I think it's important to recognize we did this once before with our PC desktop business. That worked out very well for both IBM and Lenovo, and we felt it was time to do that for our low-end x86 business.
So, I mean, we're moving here from commodity towards higher margin areas. Now I'm getting the indication that maybe this would be software, services, big data. I mean, Watson. I mean, kind of what's the future going to look like for IBM?
Well, we certainly will continue to deliver high-value server products. In fact, we still will have some x86 products in our portfolio, and we have a number of systems that are pre-packaged with software, where the software provides unique differentiation and value. We're going to continue to deliver those to the market.
And Steve, just as a final question, obviously, the political environment around China has been quite highly charged over the last couple of years. Do you anticipate any political challenges to this $2.3 billion sale to Lenovo?
Well, clearly we will follow all the appropriate government processes. Both IBM and Lenovo have been through this before. Lenovo has done multiple reviews around government, U.S. government certification requirements, and they understand how to follow that process, as do we. And so we both believe that we will work through this here during the first part of 2014.
Okay, so there you have it. IBM has made another big, bold move as it continues its push into higher margin areas. I'm James Rogers at TheStreet.